You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Brand name from French if you want to learn more fashion brand names, luxury brands. Stay tuned, you found the right channel, and go straight to the end of the video for more. French pronunciation, Roger, not Roger, Roger Vivier, Roger Vivier. English pronunciation, if you cannot pronounce French or your French pronunciation is too complicated for you, Roger Vivier, Roger Vivier. Name pronunciation. Brand name from French if you want to learn more fashion brand names, luxury brands. Stay tuned, you found the right channel, and go straight to the end of the video for more. French pronunciation, Roger, not Roger, Roger Vivier, Roger Vivier. English pronunciation, if you cannot pronounce French or your French pronunciation is too complicated for you, Roger Vivier, Roger Vivier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.